This is number 27. This is the back of apartment number 3. And she doesn't even have a runoff. And she had mold all in her apartment on the floor, and this is her situation. It's going underground, okay? And so when you don't have a runoff, you give mold life. And mold loves to have life. It has to have life to live, and this is nothing but mold. Okay, a whole life of mold back here. Yeah, this is in the back of number 27. This is in the back, this is right behind, this is apartment number 3. And my sister has had a mold issue in her apartment, and where the mold had came all the way under the apartment and under her bed. You know why? No preventative maintenance. This is all the mold I'm digging up. This is what I'm doing to save my tenants from having to deal with mold, because when you live with it, it can kill you. It's a silent killer. So I'm digging it up, and hopefully management come reseed it, put some rocks down here, so we can kind of eliminate this mold coming back. All right, this is all the mold that was dug up behind unit 27, as you can tell. I don't understand what's going on with my maintenance people, but we got to stand together as a unit, a community, for some of the dumb shit that we see. Okay, drug dealers, mold. Look at this. Take a look at it, folks. That's how it is when they take over. It's a takeover of mold on the backside. The takeover, a mold takeover. Situation here at the, let's see if we can get this water to run up out here and we'll lift this HVAC up. I mean this runoff up, put it against the wall. Alright, so I lifted it up off the ground. Just turned the other way so the water wasn't running off. So now I got the water running off the ground into the ground table instead of into the press. Under here, all it was doing was creating mold in the building, and that's through the wall all the way down into the basement, because I can see the runoff from this HVAC. And the situation that was over here at the outtake area. So, all right, this is called my day of working here at number 25. This is their HVAC. This is their current HVAC condition, where the HVAC was turned sideways in the opposite direction and the water flow. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten this out real quick. That's the before. And this is the one I just replaced at 25 on the opposite side. And this should eliminate her water, her HVAC. Look at this one all up to the stem, down here to hold the concrete up, a little area under. All right, we're still in number 25. And I just had to put some rocks here because the actual runoff thing is missing, but it's just one person, so hopefully everything will be okay with this one. But this is their HVAC runoff. It needs to have a concrete slab put back in here. This is at 25. And we're gonna walk on over. Okay. This is the runoff. I've added some more plastic shields to this. This water seems to be getting saturated with water. Check down here. Anything that's happening down here in the corners. There's a mold right there. We're just trying to make sure we know. And I'm going to give you some mold. And then I'll get the mold and I'll just charge it down. Looks like this is relatively dry right here. So I'm trying to make sure I keep the water that's coming from her HVAC running down here. And running back straight on down to the ground instead of into my wall. So I'm going to come out and get another piece of plastic and put one on right here. Straight down to the concrete. Every 2 of those. Maybe just for HVAC last year, or for HVAC. All I know is there's one hole and 3 HVACs. One hole, 3 HVACs.